One of the most common plastic surgeries is a nose job or rhinoplasty. But how do you know how to make sure you get the right look? Dr. Charles Finn of Finn Facial Plastics is here with some guidance. Dr. Finn, what are the common reasons people come to you for a nose job?
Well, Valanda, usually it's when a nose stands out more than they would choose. There is no such thing as a perfect nose. The nose needs to be matched to the face, to the ethnicity, to even the stature. So a tall person's nose may look different than a small person's nose.
And sometimes people come to you with breathing problems.
Absolutely. Breathing is so important with a nose that if you get a beautiful nose that doesn't work right, you are not going to be happy with it.
Okay, so when you do rhinoplasty, you don't just think about the shape of the nose.
No, it's a complex three-dimensional organ that serves many different functions. You need to make sure it's functioning well as looking well.
Gotcha. All right, how can a nose help someone look younger?
So as we get older, the ligaments in the nose actually weaken and the tip of a nose will drop down. So someone that has a small hump on the dorsum of the nose, typically that hump looks bigger as they get older. One trick you can do is look at your older relatives that have a similar nose, and you can get an idea how your nose is going to age.
Okay, start planning in advance.
Exactly.
Okay, changing your nose, as you just talked about, isn't just for cosmetic reasons. Besides breathing, are there any other reasons that people change their nose?
Well, if a nose is out of proportion to the rest of the face, it can be very distracting for a look. A lot of times what happens is your nose grows at age 14 before the rest of the face is finished growing. So people get imprinted on their mind a vision of themselves as someone with a huge nose. A lot of times the face catches up with it in time, but they still have this psychological vulnerability that's focused on their nose. By bringing the nose into alignment with the rest of the facial features, they get more comfortable with their nose and more happy with their face. That's the most important thing.
I felt that way about my knees. As I got older, I feel like the rest of me caught up with my big knees. So you only focus on the face. Why is it important to choose a surgeon who really has a specialty as you do?
We can't all be specialists in absolutely everything. You need to focus in on what you're good at. What I'm good at is the face and the nose, and that's all we do in our office.
All right, Dr. Finn, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
If you are considering plastic surgery or rhinoplasty, give Dr. Finn a call at 919-933-9522 or visit finnface.com.